Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you for clicking on my video. Guys, today I have a very special video for you. I will be packing. I am very excited. I can't wait. And guys, this is the first of the many vlogs that you will be now seeing on my channel. So guys, stick around. This is very exciting and I know that you don't want to miss this. So I will be leaving guys very soon. So guys, I'm gonna start with, I'm not even sure. I think I'm gonna start with what I had already done, guys. I had packed some of the clothes that I knew that I was not gonna wear from last week or so. So I started to do a little thing here and there. So what I want to do now is to pack neatly and try not to be overweight and all of those things. So I am going to be packing, or I'm going to be putting the things into the suitcase now, because I had not put them in the suitcase or one of the suitcases as yet. I had put it in a big bag that I had. So now I'm going to transfer it neatly to the suitcases, guys. Um, I am not sure if I want to start with the one that I had already packed, or I want to start with my closet. Um, Maybe start with the one that I had already packed. So let me do that, guys. All right. So guys, I have one of the luggage here. So I'm gonna start with this one. All right. So I'm gonna start packing from this one, guys. So these are some of the clothes that I had placed in the bag. So guys, the first thing I am going to do, I have some books that I would love to keep, and I would want to have these books with me. I'm a teacher, and I sometimes when I find books, so guys, I'm sitting down. So guys, I have some books here with me, and some from time to time I come across different books, and especially books that I know is very hard to find. I would keep back a few, and to use them for my own purpose. So I have some books here, guys, that I really want to take with me. I'm not so sure. I'll have to go back through them and see if there's any that I don't need, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna go through that now and put them at the bottom, and then I would pack some clothes around it. So that's what I'm gonna do now, guys. So I'm sure that I need this folder, so I definitely gonna keep that. I think I need this one. This is a reading book for my son. Sometimes I help him with his reading and all of that, so I would like to keep this. This is a book that I came across. It's for kindergarten, but never can tell. I might like to use it in the future, so I'm gonna keep this. Um, this is a book my husband bought for me. I'm reading this one right now. I have not finished reading it. Success is Yours, Fight for It. The author is Shamara Stubbs. So guys, you could check it out. She sells the books on Amazon, so you can check that out too. This is a very good book. I think I may be like halfway through. Yeah, I'm halfway through. I fold the page so that I can know where I'm at. So yeah, check this guys out. Success is yours. Fight for it. So I'm keeping that. I have another reading book here. So I'm gonna keep this. This one my son just used this one in grade 3. This was for my son when he was in grade 1, so I'm gonna keep that. So guys, I only took out one book for now. So so basically I want all of these. So I'm gonna pack them guys at the bottom. I'm gonna show you guys when I have finished packing. Guys, I'm not an expert at folding, but I know I can try and do my best. So and guys, please remember to stay tuned for the other parts of my vlog. I think maybe this is going to be the second part, because I have another vlog that I wanted to put up before this one. So this probably would be vlog number 2. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for my journey, and you'll get to see how I move from Jamaica to where I'm going. And guys, comment down below where you think I will be moving to. So guys, whenever I am finished, I will come back and show you what I had done. So guys, let me show you what it's looking like. I'm not able to see. So this is what it's looking like, guys, so far. I still have a few more things to pack, and I want to leave a little space for like any food items or so that I have. But I have just a few more things to throw in, maybe like a shoe or slippers or something like that. And I have another suitcase too, guys, because I'm taking more than one luggage. So so this is one almost finished. To follow me on this moving journey, guys, remember to watch out for my next videos. Bye.